And there you go. Just fiberglassed it into the oil seal. So I've got to wait for that to set. I'll pull it out and it should be all good. Touch wood. Some strange reason the lights come on. Anyway, this is the oil seal off the Dalek. Earlier you see me sitting this socket in place from the opposite side, and that's been fiberglassed in. And just to make it look tidier, I mixed some car body filler and resin, then activator, and I poured it in there, made it sort of like gravy like I normally do to make the mold, the hemming moulds. And yeah, it did trickle down there a little bit, but I cleaned that out with some cotton buds. So I'm just waiting for that to set. It's a nice little tidy unit. Then obviously wire it up from behind, leading to the car battery, and then a kettle cable, or one off of a computer tower. Wire that up to the car charger, and just plug it in there. I have to just take the ball off. So quite pleased with that. Inconspicuous and out of the way.